Honey, I'm home! Hi, I'm totally excited. I ordered it yesterday and it arrived today. So let's open it. Ah, yes, please. So I paid for this one myself, and yeah, it's still the last day of February, and it's so warm. I'm doing all the gardening. I'm not sure if I will show the gardening stuff first or this year, but I need to cut some branches of the big trees here, and yeah, maybe make some firewood. And I ordered this small chainsaw, and I think this will be sufficient for my needs. And it comes without any batteries because I didn't want. Oh yeah, haha. What's that? Oh, that's the chain. Yes. And we have some chain oil here. And that's all, an empty box. Okay, let's take a closer look at the contents here. We have instructions. Wow, I didn't know they have so much stuff there. Yeah, that one hedge trimmers with batteries. Oh yeah, that could be something. So it's a cordless, as you can see, chainsaw, and let's try to assemble it without reading the manual. Wow. Okay, so how do I attach this? Yeah, it's something you could do without any extra tools if you have problems with your chain. And then how is it placed? I just put the chain on this thingy, and you can see there is a symbol showing in which direction the chain has to go, and then we simply put this on here like that. I think it's like that. Okay. Even further. Or can I pull it a bit? Yeah, that's okay. Okay. So and now let's put it on tension. I don't know how much. Okay, more. So it can't jump out. I think this is okay. Not sure. And now let's close it like that. Wow. So about this oil, I'm not sure how this is handled. So I will just read this up. I had never chainsaw before, so I need to get this right, otherwise it will be an expensive experiment. So down there's a screw. You can probably adjust how much oil you will get. So probably it's necessary if you have a really green and sappy wood. Oh, I don't have the lubrication here. 200 milliliters. We have only this one here. This is 100 milliliters. And the proper amount of oil is 200 milliliters. Yeah, so we can start right away, but I will just put 50 milliliters in here. Probably. There is nothing stated what kind of oil you need. Okay, yeah, I will just put something of this in and get some oil later. So this will be Doesn't start. Oh yeah, it's closed. Okay, I think this is okay. So we have some oil inside. Just clean this up. Clean up myself. You've probably seen my other Makita videos. So the last one was this hammer drill, and yeah, with the drill that I bought first, I bought 3 of these power packs, which are 5 amp hours, 18 volts each. No, one was 3 amp hours, but I have 2 of these 5 amp hour batteries, and these will be the ones that I will use for this one. So that was actually my plan, to have the batteries in place when I want to buy bigger tools. So let's turn this on and try. Woo! Wow! Wow! I love it! Give me some wood. Okay. Oh, I damaged the table. Okay. Let's safety first, huh? Oh, is it turned off? Yeah. Whoa! That's awesome. Okay, guys. Oh yes, please. Oh yeah, and it's quite oily here, so it gets lubricated. Okay, yeah. I can't wait to try this out. Oh, I love this. Oh, guys, if you want a chainsaw like that, just use the link in the description to support my channel. And yeah, let's take a look how I will use this in the garden. Let's get rid of the stump. love it. It's so much fun. I totally recommend it. See you next time. Bye. Honey, I'm home! Oh, it's off. Okay. Bloopers.